Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. Today I am hunting, and you might be wondering, well, this is a motorsports channel. Why are you hunting? Well, I am hunting for a S-10. A fellow co-worker of mine had informed me of one with a V8 sitting on the side of the road the next town over for sale. And that was about a week ago he noticed it. So, like I said, I'm hunting. I don't know if it's still there. I'm not exactly even sure where it is, but we are on our way to find out. Don't know anything about the vehicle other than it's an S-10 with a V8. So hopefully it's an extended cab. It'd be even a bonus if it was a manual. But who knows? I don't know if it's old body style, new body style, or newer body style, I guess. But we're about to find out. I am currently in the town where it is supposed to be. And I'm just kind of waiting for some traffic here, and we will find out. Fingers crossed. I'm kind of excited, but I'm not getting my hopes up, because when that happens, you are definitely more prone to a letdown. So to save ourselves the trouble of being let down, I am not keeping my hopes up. So I'm just gonna say that. It's supposed to be near a Napa. We all know how I feel about Napa. In general, not a big fan, but hey, to each their own, right? One of these days, luck has to be on our side, and we'll find the ideal S-10. Now, I would love to put a 383 would be my dream motor for this green S-10, but you know, if this other one works out, maybe we can go something bigger and finally turn this into a drag truck. I think that would be very, very cool and reasonable. So I'm just kind of cruising through town here, a little road construction. Garage sales. I don't even know what color this thing is, so interesting nevertheless. We'll find out here hopefully soon. is I'm not too familiar, well, let me correct myself. I am not familiar at all with this part of town. So I am definitely keeping my eyes open. Okay, he did mention Casey's. I see Casey's. I see Napa. I see it. So, like I said, it's a good thing I did not keep my hopes up because it's the old body style. It's a regular cab. It's ugly as sin. Now, I did have a 91 at one time, but it was an extended cab, and this one looks pretty rough. Cab corners are f***ed up. Can't see much inside, but it's a 350 7R4. $2,800. Well, I think we're gonna pass on that. It was definitely worth the trip. Not something I want, but you don't know until you go looking for this stuff. It's definitely worth the drive over. But it's just not going to work out for me. So, it's a little bit of a bummer, but anyways, I guess that's going to do it for today's video. Short and sweet. Maybe if you're interested, you could call the number if you could see it on the video or not. But yeah, I guess the hunt continues. Until next time, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.